Embarrassment and ignorance, a common dilemma. A man was trying to use a self-checkout machine at a store. He didn't know how to use it, and he got very frustrated. He started to blush and mumble to himself. The people behind him in line got impatient. The man finally paid for his things and left the store quickly. He felt very embarrassed. It's easy to feel embarrassed when you don't know how to do something. But it's important to remember that everyone starts somewhere. If you need help, don't be afraid to ask.